Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel on this beautiful June 17th, 2021. Today we're going to do a special unboxing here in my room before I go on holiday tomorrow. My sales associate at Mall of Emirates told me to come by quickly because they were doing a private sale, and usually I never find something I like during the private sales, but this time I was actually able to find something that I actually loved, so that was a positive. Let's see, guys, what you all think. So as you can tell by the bag, this is obviously a ready-to-wear piece, and this is actually from the collection, the 2020 collection. So I had wanted actually this sweater then, but I was in Canada, so I was not near a Chanel at the time, so I was not able to get it. But it's just a super casual piece that goes with anything. So I'm gonna lay this out. It's literally a Chanel sweater. It looks amazing on, so it's kind of fitted here at the top. I think it looks so pretty. It just really suits me. It's super casual. It's basically, you know, I'm going to be traveling tomorrow. I'll be able to wear this, you know, on the airplane. And it's mom friendly in the sense that if anything happens, you know, basically I'm not going to, the other one was white, pure white, creamy color, but that one is a bit too risky with kids because sometimes accidents happen. So yeah, I actually really love this piece. So I mean, you don't need sweaters in Dubai, but again, obviously we have our home in Canada, Turkey. We will possibly need a sweater because it's a little bit rainy in Turkey. So I'm not sure how my girl decorated my boxes this time. She knows I love my Camilla flowers. And this next piece. So you guys have not seen me ever do a Chanel unboxing for this. This is the first time I've actually purchased this item from Chanel. And I thought it was so beautiful. So it's obviously a silk scarf. And no, made in Italy. I like that my sweater was at least made in France. Italy is so much cheaper to manufacture everything, which is so annoying when you're paying these crazy prices. It's the one thing I don't like about Chanel is that they've sourced it to Italy, and, you know, the craftsmanship is not as, I don't think, good. But some pieces you'll get lucky, like this beautiful scarf. I mean, once I steam, I think you can steam these. Basically, it will look so beautiful on it, so chic. This is classic Chanel, and this comes from the 2020, I think she said cruise collection. So, yeah, I mean, it's really, I think, a beautiful piece. I'm not sure what you guys think. I'm just going to quickly pull out right now a few of my Hermes scarves that I've also never worn, but I want to put as picture frames. So these are the Hermes scarves, which, I mean, obviously are super beautiful. I loved this one. So you see the little horsey in there. I'm going to make this video about scarves now. So that's so pretty. And this one I've just taken out of the box, actually. Look at this, guys. This one, I could do a whole video. I have so many scarves I haven't even taken out of the box, but this is literally, I might actually bring this with me. Look at the detail. Hermes does scarves like no other. Obviously, I think that's what they are famous for, but this scarf, it's literally a work of art, so I want to frame it actually, and put this as maybe a picture in my wall when we get our new house. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I know it was a quick unboxing. That's all I got today. Just a little sweater and this Chanel scarf that will look very chic this summer with a pair of big black sunglasses by my pool. And that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching.